3 FCC applications just hit for DJI FPV gear. What could that entail? Let's figure it out. Hey guys, if we're just meeting for the first time, I'm Felix with Quadcopterguide, and today, kind of a special announcement. I'm just out, shopping with the fam at IKEA. What else would you do in Europe on a hot day like this? We're having a crazy heat wave right now. Today, we're checking out something special because we got new FCC IDs published for 3 new items from DJI. With each FCC ID release, they do post kind of an obscured picture of what the label looks like and what the product looks like underneath. Here's what it looks like for the goggles. So you can see that here. Here it is for the air unit. And here for what they call the FPV remote control. Now there's 2 side by side here, so I'm not sure what exactly that means. They do look kind of different. What do you guys think that is? Let me know in the comments below. Let's get this conversation going about this new product, or just maybe parts for a product that you build yourself. They range in power from 240 milliwatts up to 386, so I'm not sure if we can read a lot out of that, but the air unit works from 7.4 to 17.6 volts. So it doesn't look like it's going to be a fixed drone. It looks like it's more going to be parts that you can put on an FPV drone. But this is all the details we have currently, so it's going to be interesting to see what else comes out in the coming days. But we can definitely expect to see these new parts coming out in the next week or 2 at the latest. So stay tuned. And I will also post an article with more leaked images on quadcopterguide.com. Feel free to check that out over there. Anyhow, if there's anything else that pops up on this stuff, then I will let you guys know. Feel free to subscribe for more info on this and other future DJI products, and we'll see you soon.